Welcome to The Life of Hair. My name's James Atkinson, and in this week's episode we're going to look at cutting a pixie cut. Now this is part one of a three-part series. The first part is just cutting the basic pixie cut shape and how I go about that, and a really nice easy way of going from really long to really short, because my model has got quite long hair and it's a complete transformation. So we're going to make her, we're going to totally reinvent her in a lot of ways. She was really nervous about having all her hair cut off, and we had a massively long consultation about it all, but in the end she loved it, which was great. So I'm going to show you the journey, but I'm going to show you it over 3 separate episodes, because sometimes I think I cut out bits of information that could be valuable to somebody that just make my videos too long for my taste. So this is going to be part 1. Part 2 is going to be like texturising and freehanding, and that's going to come next week. And then the week after will be the bleaching, how I got her hair, the white platinum result that you'll see right at the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, then you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, tell me if you enjoyed it or if you'd like me to make any other videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm upping the amount of videos that I'm making at the moment, so I'm probably going to go up to maybe 2 a week. To avoid missing out on any of those, don't forget, smash that subscribe button too. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you for another episode really, really soon.